Hello friends, welcome to the special session today. Welcome to Adda 24/7 and a special session today. Special session is about how to set the daily targets for JAIIB so that you succeed. Obviously, daily targets are important. See, it's always said, devil lies in the details. Devil lies in the details. We can make a lot of plans. I'll do this, I'll study for 4 hours, I'll study for 5 hours, I'll study for this, I'll study for 1 hour, anything. But what happens actually? Does it happen? Every new year, you make some resolution. Every new year. But what happens? When it comes to the substance, to the bottom ground, there the things fail. That's why I've come over here to discuss the special point of how to focus on the daily targets for your success. So watch the video till the end, share it with your friends, share it on all your social media platforms, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Let's move on. Firstly, let's study what are the problems. Failure to adhere to the study plan. This is the main problem we always face. Right? We always face this main problem. Failure to adhere to the study plan. We make a lot of study plans. As I told you, I'll study for 1 hour, I'll study for 2 hours, daily I'll study. Now I've filled up the form for JAIIB, daily I'll study for 2 hours. Let anything happen, I will study. And when you come back from the office, let's leave it today, tomorrow. From tomorrow I'll definitely do. Then tomorrow comes, tomorrow I'll definitely do. Same thing goes on. Failure to adhere to the study plans. Okay? Basically, what is the problem? All papers of JAIIB, CIIB consist of lengthy syllabus. Isn't it? Huge it is. So big. Each book is around 600 pages. Each book. If you see PPB book, that's around 950 pages. 950. If you are preparing for such a high class exam, you should follow proper study plan, because if you don't follow the study plan, if you don't adhere to the guidelines, you are gone. Okay? Don't go with any random books. Follow a proper study guide. Don't go with any random books. Random books means there are many books, many notes available on Google, YouTube, everywhere. Don't go for it. Follow the proper study pattern, plan. Okay? So adhere to your plan. Make a smaller plan. Don't say I'll be studying 2 hours per day. Everyone knows you will not be able to study. Make a plan. I'll start with half an hour per day. Half an hour. Then if it goes right, in 15 days I'll increase it to 1 hour. Like that you go gradually increasing. So this is how you make the daily plans. Don't think of the end, 2 hours per day. It will never happen. Think of shorter, smaller duration, half an hour per day. Then I'll move on to 1 hour. Then I'll move on to 1.5, like that. Wasting too much time on the social media. That is the worst thing which we have right now. Okay? Means you see it anywhere, everywhere you see the social media only. Shots took 1 minute, and in Facebook there is something, reels, shorts, reels, all these things. They eat up a lot of time. Be aware of this. Try not to do all these things. Okay? There are many FB and Telegram groups for JAIIB, CIIB preparation, and most of the aspirants rely on them. Okay? So don't do such things. Don't rely on unknown channels. Follow the leaders, follow the mentors who have taught. We all at Adda 24/7 have taught for more than 12 years. Okay? Not giving importance to case studies. This is one of the important problems you always face. We don't give importance to the case studies. Don't do that. Case studies are important. And nowadays in JAIIB, they ask case studies. The questions are of 2 mark, 1 mark and half mark, and some questions are on case studies. So don't let lose the case studies. In fact, if you see in 2 papers, that is AFM and RBWM, you have numerical case studies. This time numerical case studies had come. Okay. So give proper importance, focus on this. Whatever is taught in the class, focus on that. Okay. Not practicing through mock test. Follow, see, these are all the guidelines to make your daily plans. Whenever you plan some time for the mock test. If you are planning to study for half an hour daily, at least plan for 10 minutes for mock tests. Okay? But do plan for that, because mock test will give you where you stand. What is the problem you are facing? Mock test will describe everything. Okay? What are the proper questions asked? What are the types of questions? This will help you to make your plans, to make your study schedule properly. Numericals, theory, objective questions, case studies. Now focus on this. Numericals means, see this. These numericals, again, may come in 1 mark objective types, or they may come in case studies also. Okay, means it can be 5 marks numerical also, it can be 1, 2 or half mark numerical also. Okay, so these are all objective questions, means 2 mark, 1 mark and half mark. Case study means 5 marks. 5 marks. Okay, so it may come in any ways. Similarly, theory. Theory may come as a case study for 5 marks, or theory may come as a objective questions. 2, 1.5 mark. Anyways, it is possible. So you have to be prepared for the case study as well as the one-liners. Both of them you have to be prepared. Don't think that you will prepare only one-liners and not case studies, or prepare only case studies and not one-liners. Don't do that. Okay? Make a schedule and stick to it. Very important. That's why I said, make a smaller schedule, half an hour schedule. Stick to it, but stick daily half an hour. Set up your study area. Focus. You should have a proper table, proper books, whatever are the notes required, you should have properly over there. Light arrangement should be proper. AC, fan, whatever it is, should be proper. Revise and re-revise. Okay, focus on this revision part. Whenever you make the study plan, okay, or whenever you make this daily target list, always see to it that your revision is a main part. Okay, you should focus on revision. Take refreshing study breaks. Don't just go on working, go on studying. Take study breaks. Breaks are definitely required. Everyone requires these breaks, right? Test your knowledge. How will you test your knowledge? Mock test. Okay, follow the mock test for testing the knowledge. Okay, set realistic study goals every day. Realistic means what? Which you can achieve. As I said earlier, 4 hours I will study daily. Not possible. Half an hour? Possible. Realistic. Study before bed. Before going to bed, study this without fail. And after getting up in the morning, also study for 15 minutes. You'll learn a lot in this time, because our mind is very fresh in the morning. Okay? Join our batches. 6 a.m. we are starting the batches. Means our batches start from 6 a.m. So join them. 1 hour daily studies are required. But obvious, 1 hour daily studies are required. There is no other option to this. You can join the classes, and after the classes also you can study for half an hour. Follow the right notes. Right notes. Right notes means the mentor. See, these two are combined. Right mentor will give you right notes. Otherwise, they can give you anything. Follow the right notes. Right question bank. At Adda 24/7, we give you the PDF, the question bank, the formula bank, everything, and all this is from the repeated part. Per subject, roughly 15 days studies, 15 days practice on test papers. Okay? So 15 days studies and 15 days practice on the test papers. Compulsory it should be there. Per subject. So 4 subjects, around 4 months, plus or minus this. Okay? So you can adjust the subjects, but plan it accordingly. 15 days should be your study, 15 days should be your practice. Okay. So these were the important points which I wanted to focus on for making the daily targets. Okay. Now before going, see, take advantage of Adda 24/7 offer going on right now. Okay. Today is the Janmashtami offer. So it is huge benefit, triple benefit offer you are getting on all the Mahapacks. See this, go to Adda 24/7, always purchase through the app. Through the app, download the app and then purchase, you will get 1% extra. Click on JAIIB increment batch. See this, you buy for 5 months, you get it for 15 months, 515. You buy for 9 months, you get it for 27 months, 3 times, triple validity. And the discount offer, look at this discount. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432, Y432. Say this, 82% discount plus 1% extra, 83 through the app. So 83% discount plus triple validity. Plus in the Mahapack you get 15 plus batches per subject 15 plus. So huge it is. Yesterday I calculated it, it comes to around 13 rupees per day. 13 rupees. 13 rupees is less than the tea cost per day which you have in your banks. Go for it. Okay. So 82% off plus 1% extra, 83%. 15 plus batches per subject. It's a huge thing. Okay. So don't miss to join.